Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Do not design mechanics intended to intentionally provoke anger or compulsive behavior. A rage loop is a cycle where frustration is used to drive repeated attempts, often exploiting loss aversion and uncertainty. Creating deliberate rage loops can harm players and damage your studio reputation, reduce retention long-term, and invite regulatory or community backlash. Instead, aim for engagement through fair challenge, clear feedback, and meaningful reward pacing, so players feel competent, informed, and motivated for the right reasons rather than being. Use clear feedback and predictable systems to build trust and skill growth. Inform players of consequences and display probabilities like 1 in 10 or 25% when applicable. Replace random punishment with graduated difficulty, checkpoints, and honest timers so progression feels earned rather than extracted. Design rewards that reinforce skill learning and player autonomy rather than coercion, and offer opt-in loops such as optional daily challenges or cosmetic goals that do not gate core progression behind frustration or paywalls. Measure player stress with metrics like rage reports, session drop rate, and 7-day retention to detect harmful loops early. Run a/B tests comparing transparent systems versus opaque systems using at least 10,000 sessions to quantify impact on engagement, monetization, and complaints. Provide opt-outs, cooldowns, and clear customer support pathways to reduce harm and offer refunds when legitimate issues occur. Iterate designs to prioritize long-term retention and player well-being over short spikes driven by frustration or manipulation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.